smoking tyres, no drugs. Well, I'll tell you what, that's not a smoking tyre, that's a very sad tyre. Just leave it, come back. Hot tip, come down to the pub for a lunch, was great. They have on.
I had a Cali burger,
Yep.
20 bucks.
When you have an early start, you think you've done really well, you've packed everything up, you've got about 20-30 k's down the road, and then you realise that you've just driven over your doodads here, so wasted a bit of fuel there. Lake Alexandrina, this is where the Murray River meets the ocean, and with all the floodings they've got up there at the moment, the water here I reckon is going to rise. Hopefully I can get around down to the Coorong before that happens. We'll just have to see. So I'm actually going all the way around the lake there, ending up down the bottom. And I think there's a ferry to go across as well, so that'll be pretty exciting. So early start this morning, and need to get some fuel and some supplies, so we'll see how we go. So we're queued up waiting for the ferry over the B45, and that's the little car there waiting for the ferry. There's a few people in front of me, so I might have to wait, and there's a couple of people behind me too, so I might have to... That's us there, going across. Cheers, mate. Enjoy your day. Stayed with the family near Lake Clayton last night, and then travelled about 300 k's down to along the Coorong to the Granites, and that's where I am. This is one of our favourite camps, and probably one of the last camps before I head back to Bendigo. You've just got these beautiful ocean views here. It's just like a big car park. Look at this, this is just like a big car park. You could be at Coles. Coles could be anywhere here, but yeah, it's pretty cool. This is the Granites, and it's a bit windy, so hopefully this sounds okay. That's the granite rocks, there's one out there. That's Kingston S.A over there. And then you've just got this beautiful beach over here, and then the car park here. Heading down to the beach of the Granites. A lot of guys have actually come through with their cars and head up the beach. They reckon go about 28 k's up and catch stuff. Well, from the viewpoint up there, I actually saw some clear area where there's no weed. I'm all rigged up. I'm probably going to go home cold without fish, but give it a go, give it a crack. So I'm actually going to use some grunter that I caught up at Big Lagoon at Crows. This is from Calvin and Adele. We went up to Skipjack Point, so it's been in the fridge. Let's see if we can. I'm actually using a beach sand sinker with hooks. The wind's actually coming from the southwest, and I've actually got the line out. There's a beautiful sunset there, and there's lots of guys heading down the beach to 28 mile or 28k point, but I'm just here. I've got my rod, I've got my bucket, I've got my thongs, and I'm enjoying the sunset and the beautiful, even if I don't catch anything, I'll have a good time. And on the way back and head to, and it's probably going to be snake again. Just leave it, come back. He knows he's safe in the water. Yeah, we'll just wait here. Yeah. You okay, mate? Check out the how the wind's actually blowing the field there. Looks like it's fluid. That's really... So we're heading down the beach, Oscar and I, to do a bit of fishing. We're going to hook in here. It's a little bit rough, but we're going to get there. Sound of the V8. Check that out.
You guys alright?
Yeah. So there's a fish out here. Hopefully we can get it. We'll see how we go. That's the plan. And not get bombed. So I've actually come along the beach. It's we haven't aired down, so we're actually on highway. So I think 60 and 50 or 45. But what I've done here is I've backed in here so that I know when we finish tonight we can just head straight back down the beach without having to muck around in the dark. So we're just getting some bait together now, and yeah, it could be steak tonight, Oscar, but we'll see how we give it a bit of a crack on the beach. Could be steaks, right? So we're heading down the beach from our camp at the Granites. We're taking a shortcut along the beach. There's the seaweed out there. We've got a car coming up, so we better slow down a bit. And we're heading towards Kingston S.A. So we're going to check out Kingston. Yeah, what do you reckon of?
I can go to the pub for lunch.
Oh, that'd be good.
Get a beer, sounds good.
Okay, let's do it. Happy days. Hot tip, Caledonian pub for a lunch was great. They serve what, between 12:30 and 2?
Yeah, about 12 and 2.
Yep. So I had the local shark and salad and chips. And I'll tell you what, that was the best beer batter I've had for a long time. What did you have, Ock?
I had the Cali burger.
Yep.
$20. Best burger I've had in a long time.
And that was the burger homemade?
Yeah, homemade, all good. Yeah, nice fresh produce.
Yeah, well. So I'll put up a couple of photos, and we didn't do any filming there, we're too busy eating, but I don't think we need tea tonight. We'll just try and have a few snacks and go fishing, I reckon. Okay, see ya. These guys are actually having a go at OZLAPN, and they're from Victoria too, but aren't they lucky to actually be out here on such a freaking great day, while all those poor buggers up at Chuka are flooded out. So anyway. So show us how to use your boomerang, Ock. What do you got there?
Crocodile boomerang.
Yeah?
Yeah, she never comes back.
Oh, that's okay. Whoop, 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 there it goes.
Yeah.
Yes. Well done. Will be the cleanest boomerang we've got. So still having a bit of a fish here, no luck. Got little portable chairs over there, having a couple of beers, and the clouds starting to come over, so yeah, I reckon we've had the best of the weather. It's going to probably change. Thomas, and that smoking tyres, no drugs. Well, I'll tell you what, that's not a smoking tyre. That's a very sad tyre. But we're going to see if we can help him. We'll see if they'll get out first. We'll give them a bit of a push. Otherwise, we'll get the cruiser and we'll see how we go.
All right. Alright, what have we decided?
Huh?
What have we decided?
I think go in front of them just in case they can't get up. If we need to pull them up and up.
Alright, sounds good. You! Bummer. Go. No, good. Yeah. Shouldn't pass so low. It's too low. Alright. Use locals?
Yeah, we're testing the car on the beach and obviously, yeah.
Oscar, how's that?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're good.
Yeah, you're good there. You have to pull the slack up in a bit.
Around the table, or do you...
Beautiful.
So we actually got some oysters today. Oh, by the way, look at that sunset over there. And we got them frozen. And this is the first oyster that Oscar's actually had. So it chucks itself as it opens and just break it off at the back and just put it down the hatch. Chew it a bit. Not bad, eh?
Tastes like the ocean.
It does taste like the ocean. Well, just go down there because there's lots of ocean there. It would be a lot cheaper.
Not bad.
Yummo, let's get into it. So it's actually been a really good day today. We've done a lot of stuff. We've got the granites over here. The sun's just setting over here. We've helped people out of a bog here. We've driven along the beach here. And we're still camped over here. And the sun is going down on another day, another perfect day here in paradise.
Oh, we're going to play some poker.
And look at the sunset over there.
So I'm going to show you how to use a flint and steel.
Yep.
So you buy the flint and steel. Normally they're joined by a bit of chain.
Yep.
What you want to do, you want to take the chain off.
Yep.
Take this piece of chain off. And you got the flint and steel. You can make sparks on one side, and the other side just a piece of metal.
Yep.
What you want to do with the back of the metal, scrape it into a big pile like this.
Yep.
And then you want to...
Oh wow. That's pretty impressive.
And the magnetism burns like that.
Cool. This is my last camp on our trip around. We've come back to one of our favourites just near Ararat. I've got Occy here, set up here. We've got to be a bit careful because this water is actually coming through pretty quickly. We normally set up on this slab here, and check out this waterfall over here. I was going to get a fire going tonight and do some cooking, but if this rain is going to be persistent, we'll probably cook inside. And yeah, but nice camp, nice last camp. Happy days. Working, good job.
Five going.
Cool. Waterfalls go over there. Sometimes it gets a bit boggy, and I think we're actually right with our cars. But check out the map here. Like, how would you get into the caravan without taking your shoes off here? Because, well, maybe we need a mud bath. Actually cut down a drain here. Good thing is we've got music, we've got wine. We've got a fire over here. It's all happening. It's pretty cool.